Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 14 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen. If you have the two different sides, kind of notifications and toggles, then swipe down from the top right side. And next, you can extend the list of toggles. Find the power saving toggle, which should be visible on one of the pages. For me, it is on the second page. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it, and when you do so, it will obviously turn itself on. And you can see that the filling of the battery changes to indicate that the mode is running right now. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.